Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve a past paper question on binomial distribution, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics S1. So let's see a question, and you can see my YouTube channel and my website address here. For more videos, you can refer to these sites. So let's come to the question. So this question has two parts basically, and it is about the probability that Janice will buy an item online in a week is this 0.35, and Janice does not buy more than one item online in any week. Find the probability that in a 10-week period Janice buys at most 7 items. At most mean less than or equals to. So let's change this wordy question into mathematical language. So it will be, let X is representing the items bought online. So according to binomial distribution, it will be 10, 0.35. Right? You know, in binomial distribution it is NP. N is the number of trials and P is the probability of success. And the question is that you have to find out the probability that X is less than or equals to 7. This is your question. Now in MF19 formula, you will be given the formula for binomial. So you just need to see from there. Now X less than equals to 7 mean you have to calculate the probability for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is long. So other way around is that you do 1 minus probability of X greater than 7, which means you have to calculate the probability only for X equals to 8, 9 and 10. Got it? So you can find out all the probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then add up, or you can do probability of 8, 9, 10 and subtract from 1, because 100% probability is 1. So now let's apply the formula here. So it will be 10C8. Okay, I'm doing for 8 first, and then it will be 0.35 power 8, 0.65. I hope you understand how did I get 0.65. We know that P plus Q equals to 1 and Q is equals to 1 minus P. So probability of success is P, which is 0.35. So in this way I will do it for 10C9, which is 0.35 power 9, and 0.65 power 10 minus 9 is 1, then plus 10C10, which we usually do not write, but I'm just writing it for you. So it will be 0.35 power 10 and 0.65 power 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. So now you better calculate each one separately. So I have done it in calculator, the values of all these. So it will be 0.004281 minus, do not try to do, this is my suggestion, all in one go, because one mistake can lead to the wrong answer. So even if you check the marking scheme, they appreciate that you write all the individual values. That shows very clearly where the mistake had happened, right? So you do not lose all the marks then. So your final answer is 0.995 probability for part 1. Okay, so let's see part 2. Let me change the color now. Part 2 is about the probability that Janice will buy at least one item. Now when the word at least one item comes, you know what does it mean? It means probability of X greater than equals to 1. This is the meaning of it. At least one item online in a period of n weeks. Now in the binomial distribution, you don't know number of trials, which is n this time. In the last part it was 10 here, right? The number of weeks were given to you, but now they are not given. Still they're talking about buying item, so the probability was 0.35. So this is your distribution, and it is saying it is greater than 0.99. So basically, which means you have to find that at least one item is bought online and the probability of that is greater than 0.99. So this is the actual question. Okay, so you have to solve it and get the value of n basically. Now we don't know number of trials, so we don't know 1 2 3 4 going till where. So we do other way around. We do 1 minus probability of x less than 1. Okay, we take reverse of it. Okay, so now it will be 1 minus 0.99, just manipulation, and I'm taking it to the other side. Now x less than 1 mean x equals to 0, right? So now this is 0.01, and here I will apply the formula, which is what? NC0, 0.35 power 0, 0.65 power n minus 0. Okay, so now it will become 0.01. You can use the calculator and you will get 0.65 power n. Now to get the value of n, which is in the power, I will take ln on both sides. So when I will take ln on both sides, now the sign will reverses. Okay, so it will be ln 0.65 power n. Now you will apply power law. I'm sure you know because you have done log before. So it is n power ln 0.65. So now you will divide both sides. So it will become ln 0.01 divided by ln 0.65 n. Now you can use calculator and it will give you n is, because you see it's, you will read it as n is greater than this. So answer is coming 10.69. So question was saying what is the least value of n? So if you see the values which are greater than 10.65 are actually what? N is equals to 11. So this will be your answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understood this. You can write your comments if you have any query. So please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Take care.